For more information related to the civil engineering concepts and civil engineering updates, please visit my website civilbasics123.com. Go to type civilbasics123.com in Google so that my website will be open here like this. So which is consisting of all detailed concepts related to the civil engineering topics. So please follow my website civilbasics123.com. In this video lecture, I will explain you analysis and designing of 8-story apartment building by using StatPro V8i software. So initially I will show you the model which I was already done the modeling process for the respected 8-story apartment building. So firstly I will show you the model which is consisting of the properties, load cases, and I will show you the analysis results. Then after that I will show you how to design that particular structure by using StatPro V8i software. So click on the StatPro V8i software here. So this is my building model. So initially I will click on this 3D rendering view option. Okay, now we can see here I was deleted the slab section in order to make the lift provision as well as the staircases purpose. Okay, so this is my building model. The left hand side section will be consisting of one flat and right hand side section will be consisting of another flat. Okay, so this is the plinth level. It will be consisting of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 multiplied by 2, which is approximately equal to 16 flats that will be exist for this 8-story apartment building. So click on the general option. So it will be consisting of the column size is approximately 0.23 cross 0.46. I was taken 0.23 cross 0.35 for the beam section, and slab thickness will be consisting of 150 mm. Okay. So after applying the specifications of the beam size, column size, and slab thickness, we need to apply the load cases. So for this respective structure, I was taken the load cases which is comes under the seismic loading condition, wind loading condition, dead loading condition, and live loading condition. Okay. So now we have to do the analysis process. So for that, click on analysis and print, add your no print option, close option, go to analyze option, run analysis option, save option. Okay. Now we have to check for the zero errors for this respected model. So it will take some time, depends upon your speed of the operating system. So now we can see here my model was done with zero errors. Go to post processing mode option, click on done option, apply your load cases, click on OK. Now we can see this is the deflection of the diagram under considerations of the dead load combination. Okay, you can select the dead load condition or any other load cases here. Okay, so deselect the deflection diagram, select the Fi value which is nothing but the shear force diagram. This is the shear force diagram for the building structure. Again in the same process you can click on the MZ value option. This is the bending moment diagram for this respective structure. Again in the same process we have to select the plate pressure which is act on that particular 8 slabs. Go to select the plate option, select the stress type will be of maximum absolute pressure, click on apply option, click on OK, so that it will display the plate pressure for the particular structure. Now after analysis process completed, we need to design this respective structure as per IS 456-2000 code. So for that, click on the modeling option, select the design option, select the concrete design here, and select the code will be of IS 456-2000 code. So here I am selecting IS 456-2000 code. Initially we need to select the parameters. Click on select parameters. So deselect all selected parameters firstly. So from this we need to select the compressed strength, yield strength of shear reinforcement, maximum main, maximum secondary. Click on OK. So click on the define parameters. So for this respected section, just I am assuming grade of the concrete will be consisting of approximately M30 graded provision. Click on add option. Grade of the steel is here I am assuming as 500 grade steel, 500,000. Click on add option. Again I am selecting section reinforcement which is also comes under 500,000. Click on add option. In the same process I am selecting maximum main which is consisting of 20 mm diameter. Click on add. Maximum secondary just I am taking here as 12 mm diameter. Click on add, close option. Select the commands option, select design beam option, click on add, select design column option, click on add option, select the slab element command, click on add option, take off command, add option, close option. So now we have to assign these question marks. So select FC value by using assign to view, assign yes option. Again I am selecting Fi main by using assign to view option, assign yes option. In the same process I am selecting section reinforcement, assign to view, assign yes option. Maximum main just I am selecting here as 20 mm diameter, click on assign to view, assign yes. Maximum secondary 12 mm diameter, assign to view, assign yes option. Select design beam option, go to select option, beams parallel to x direction condition, go to select option, beams parallel to y direction condition, click on assign to selected beams option, assign yes. Okay, select design column command, go to select option, beams parallel to y direction condition, click on assign to selected beams, assign yes. Select slab element command by using assign to view, assign option yes option. Again in the same process we have to do the analysis. Go to analyze and print, add your no print, close option, go to analyze option, run analysis option, save option. So again we have to check for the zero errors for this respected model as per the considerations of the load cases. Now you can see here my model is checking for the zero errors as per the design considerations of IS 456-2000 codal provision. Now here the building model was obtained with 0 errors, but it was obtained with 341 warnings. Okay, in my previous video I was explained how to reduce this particular warnings as per the considerations of the design section. Okay, I will provide you that video link in above account link. You can watch that video from here. Go to post processing mode option here, click on done option here. So deselect the deflection diagram, select any one of the beam for this particular structure. Just I'm selecting this beam option, double click on it, click on concrete design. So now you can see for this respected particular structure, it is required approximately 5 bars of 10 mm diameter at the top reinforcement section and 4 bars of 10 mm diameter at the bottom reinforcement section. Again, it will be consisting of 12 numbers of the 8 center to center distance bars, which is placed at a distance of 120 mm. Okay, so this is a reflection diagram, this is a shear bending diagram. In the same process, you can select the column. Just I'm selecting this column, click on the concrete design. So now we can see for this respected section, it is required approximately 12 numbers of the 16 mm diameter bar, which is consisting of 4 numbers in this direction and 4 numbers in this direction for the column section. Again, in the same process, you have to see the start output file. So click on the start output file option for the complete results for the 8-story apartment building. So it will be consisting of the concrete design results here like this. It will take some time for loading all the values for this particular structure. Okay, it will be consisting of the beam reinforcement design results. Again, it will be consisting of the column reinforcement design results. Again, it will be consisting of the slab design results as per the considerations of the main reinforcement section as well as the distribution reinforcement section. Okay, so now you can see it was done with loading process here like this. It will be consisting of all reinforcement details here like this. Okay, so it will be consisting of the element design summary, which is consisting of longitudinal reinforcement and transitional reinforcement as 160 square mm per meter. Okay, so again in the same process we have to design the foundation section for the building structure. Go to click on the foundation design here. For that, select this earthquake load in x direction, y direction. So select these options, click on include option, click on the run STAAD foundation. The fixed supports of this particular building structure will be directly imported to STAAD foundation software. In the STAAD foundation software, you can able to design that combined footing or isolated footing as per your consideration. So as per my example, just I am taking the combined footing only. So that's why just I am taking here note points here like this. Firstly, we have to generate the load combination. Select the loads and factors. So click on the generate load combination and select the code will be of Indian standard system. Click on generate load combinations option. Okay, so that it will display the load combinations for the respective section here like this. Again in the same process I am selecting the load combination here for the ultimate load combination, so that it will display the ultimate load combination for the building. Again in the same process I am selecting job setup, create job, give the job name as A and isolated footing. Select any one of the code here. Just I am selecting Indian code and select the load combinations as per your consideration. Just I am taking 101, 102 here like this. Click on the create job option so that it will display the isolated footing job information on the left hand side. Click on the isolated footing job. Select the concrete and rebar option. This is the concrete and rebar, cover and soil type, footing and geometry, sliding and overturning. Directly click on the design option, click on S option so that it will display the complete designing results for the isolated footing as per the IS 456-2000 codal provision. So now we can see it was done with the isolated footing design as per IS 456-2000 code. So simply just I am selecting 83 foundation. It will be consisting of all detailed calculations for this respected foundation by using STAAD.Pro V8A software. So this is a starting page, this is the geometry, this is the details and drawing for the particular structure. It will be consisting of all the reinforcement values at this point. Okay, so click on the GA drawing. This is the calculation sheet. Okay, so this is the complete process of analysis and designing of 8-story apartment building structure by using STAAD.Pro V8A software. If you have any queries about this respected video, please try to text me your questions in the below comment box. I will try to give the answer for that respected questions. Thank you.